Now in this problem we have to solve for x, and the equation is 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power 3x, and this is equals to 10. So this is exponential equation. How will you solve this equation? You see, you have 2 raised to the power x and another term is 2 raised to the power 3x. So if I can convert 2 raised to the power 3x in the form of 2 raised to the power x, then I can use method of substitution. So for that purpose, I will use the rules of power. That is, if you have a raised to the power m times n, this can be written as a raised to the power m raised to the power n. This means now I can write the first term is as it is, and 2 raised to the power 3x can be written as 2 raised to the power x raised to the power 3, because these exponents gets multiplied. So if you multiply these two exponents, this is 3x, that is the same thing. Now this is equals to 10. Now let us take 10 left hand side, so I will have 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x raised to the power 3 minus 10 is equals to 0. Now let us do substitution. So what substitution I can make? Let us say let y is equals to 2 raised to the power x. So with this substitution I can write the first term is y, and this is y raised to the power 3 minus 10 is equals to 0. Or I can rewrite this is y cube plus y minus 10 is equals to 0. So you see, you have a cubic equation. Generally in case of cubic equation, you have to find one root using hit and trial method, or you can use some kind of guess. So let us say in this case, I try to make a guess. So if I use y is equals to 2, so let us say if I use y is equals to 2, what happens? So I will have 2q plus 2 minus 10, which is 8 plus 2 minus 10, which is exactly 0. This means 2 is a solution of this equation. So I can say 2 is one root. This is y is equals to 2 is one solution or one root of this equation. So now I can either use traditional method. In this case, y minus 2 will be a factor of this equation, so you can divide and you can find other factors. But in this case, I will use a different method. So since you know, basically 2 is one root, so what we will do is we will add 2 raised to the power 3 and we will subtract 2 raised to the power 3. That is 0. Now these two terms, that is this term and this term, we will keep together, and this term and whatever these three terms that is coming, we will keep together. So you see, in this case we will have by q, so let us rub this, by q minus 2q, and this will be plus by minus 10 plus 8 is equals to 0. So this is what? By q minus 2q plus by minus 2 is equals to 0. Now see, you have a factor of by minus 2. This is by q minus 2q. You can use the formula, that is aq minus bq. This is equals to a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So if I use this formula, I can write this term as by minus 2 times by square plus 4 plus 2 by plus by minus 2 is equals to 0. Now you can see you have a by minus 2 term here, and you also have by minus 2 term here. So I can take by minus 2 common. So if you take by minus 2 common, what you will have? You will have this term will be by square plus 4 plus 2 by plus 1, and this is equals to 0. This means y minus 2 by a square plus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. So there are two possibilities, either this term is 0 or this term is 0. If this term is 0, y minus 2 is 0, this means y is equals to 2. So this is one solution. But for the other part, that is by a square plus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. And if you remember, if you have a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, roots of this equation is given by minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this means we will have minus 2 plus minus, this is 4, b square is 4, minus 4 into 5, that is 20, divided by 2 times 1. So this is minus 2 plus minus, this is minus 16, that is 4 times the square root of minus 1, and a square root of minus 1 is basically I, and this divided by 2, so minus 1 plus minus 2i. So now this root is imaginary, so we will ignore this. In this case, this is an imaginary root, and we can ignore this root. So only one real root we have, that is y is equals to 2. But what is y? Y is 2 raised to the power x. So this is y, and this is equals to 2. And if you equate the exponent in this case, here exponent is 1 and here exponent is x. So this means now I can say from here that x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1 is the solution of this equation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.